Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda. I'm in the UK and it's a lovely sunny day today. Well, today I've got a bit of sad news but a bit of good news as well. Today is going to be the last roundup for the Sock It To Me 2023 challenge. If you remember last year, Kim and I from Kim Crochets and Knits started the challenge where we got tried to encourage people to knit socks, and Kim and I made a pair of socks every month last year, and then I continued it on this year. Well, the good news is that I've started to knit write my own sock patterns. The first one is out for testers, and I'm hoping to get the sock pattern out on the middle of June. They're out to my testers at the moment. The pattern. I'm going to be writing up my second sock pattern. I've got about 3 or 4 sock patterns. Ideas that I want to get written and out to testers. So if you want to be a test knitter for my socks, then please email me. My email is always in the description box below. I look forward to hearing from you. Yeah, so unfortunately this is the last roundup of socks. I'm going to continue making socks, obviously, because I'm going to be writing patterns up and I do enjoy having a sock on the go because it's something that I can just put in my bag when we're out traveling or going out for the day with the hubby. So that's what I plan to do. So first, and I want to thank each and every one of you. First off, I want to thank Kim because it was such a great year last year of knitting socks, and I think we encouraged and inspired a lot of you to start knitting socks for yourselves. So thank you all for taking part. I've only got one lady who sent her socks in, and this was just short notice, and usually I do this at the end of the month, the last Friday of the month, and I'm doing it earlier because I want to concentrate on getting these patterns written up, obviously making them myself. So I really haven't got the time to collate everybody's socks that they've emailed me, put them into a slideshow and that. So I really want to concentrate on that. And so I want to thank Amy Knits. She's been phenomenal, not only last year but this year, making socks. And there's loads of ladies out there. Bonnie Got Knits, there's Erin, and Mariette. There's just so many to mention, guys. Mimi Cat Do, Teresa Knitting Dancer, Anne from Toby Knits, Emma the Anxious Pajama Days, Yana from Flourish Evermore. So all those ladies, thank you all so very, very much, guys. I really do appreciate it. So at the end of this video, there is going to be a slideshow of Amy's socks that she's made, but also my own socks, what I've made. And believe it or not, guys, I have been away on vacation and I actually made 2.5 pairs of socks, and I finished the 3rd pair yesterday. So I'll show you mine. And so I made 2 pairs of shorty socks, and these are the blue ones. And I used King Cole's cotton socks. It's a 4-ply, which is a 2/8. So these are for our June. These are the blue ones. I think these are called denim, if I'm not mistaken. Are these denim, or is this the denim yarn? Oh, No, that's the denim. I can't remember what colour this was. But anyway, I made a pair of these, and so I've made 2 pairs of socks with this this yarn, and I was literally playing yarn chicken, and I won. So I think I had about that much left when I'd finished binding off. So that was the first pair of socks. The second pair, I've used the white. And let me just get my scales and I can tell you how much, because these are 100 grams and I've got this left, and I bet I could get well, I know I will get another pair of socks, so I'll tell you how much is left on that. There's 43 grams, nearly 44 grams left of a 100 gram skein, so I've got that left. Where's my others? Oh, there we are. So these are mine. I did myself some white ones. So I've got them. Just vanilla. I did 64 stitch cast on, 6 rows of knit 2 purl 2 ribbon, 4 rows, and then I went straight into the heel turn, and that is my favourite, guys. I don't like any other heel turn for my socks. I've tried them, I've tried quite a few, and these fit my feet and Rick's feet really well. So stay with what you know, guys. Stay with what you prefer. And then this because I ran out of what to do while I was on holiday, I bought this yarn. Where's my tab? There it is. So I bought this yarn while I was away in Turkey. It's called the Elise Superwash Comfort Socks, and it gives you a thing of how it knits up. And this was colour number 7652, and this was 100 grams, and I can tell you how much is left from this, and that's 29.26 grams are left, and these are made for Rick. So I've more or less, guys, got twins. So I'm really chuffed to bits with them. More or less got twins. Don't ask me how I managed it, but I just did. More or less twins. The only place that are different are the heel, the flap here. But other than that, it's kind of matched up really well. So yeah, so they're Rick socks. So I made a pair of socks for our June, I made a pair of socks for me, and a pair of socks for Rick. And that yarn has got what have I done with the label now? Oh, there it is. This sock yarn is there was 100 grams, 420 meters, 459 yards, and it is made in Turkey, obviously, and it is 75% superwash wool and 25% polyamide, which we know is nylon. And then this sock yarn, which is the same for the blue, is 58 cotton, 38 polyamide and 4% PBT, 399 yards, 365 meters, but it is nice. It's so soft. It's really nice on the on your feet. So that's it, guys. That is it. Once again, thank you to everybody who took part in the Sock It To Me challenge last year and this year. Thank you to everybody who shared their socks with me and Kim. Thank you to Kim for last year, which we had a ball, but this year I think it's time for me to move on now, guys, and I hope you understand that. And don't forget, if you would like to test knit some of my sock patterns. I'm not only doing sock patterns, I've got 4 other pattern ideas on the go. So yeah, so that's it from me, guys. Thank you all so much for liking, commenting, subscribing. Don't forget, as Sam says, for me's are free, guys. Please leave a thumbs up. Even if you can't leave a comment, a thumbs up really does help, not only me but all other content creators. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.